Oh, we're on the road again. We're at Asda. We've got to fill the car up because my father-in-law gave us the car all filled up, ready to go. And he waived our insurance fee as well, and they sent us money in our anniversary card, so that ended up paying for like the entire meal and part of our holiday, which was really nice of them to help out like that. Really unexpected, but so lovely at the same time. But yeah, we're gonna go shopping, and then guess what, we're gonna go see George. We're going to see George the dog today. I'm so excited.